How do some animals use sound for communication? Sound is a common means of communication for many animals, and different species use a wide range of sounds for different purposes. For example, birds use songs to communicate with each other and to establish territory. Many mammals, such as wolves and monkeys, use vocalizations to communicate with their group members or to warn of danger. Other animals, such as bats, use sound waves to navigate their environment and locate prey. Some animals, such as whales and dolphins, use complex vocalizations to communicate over long distances. In addition to vocalizations, animals also use other forms of sound to communicate, such as body movements or the production of noise through physical actions, such as stomping or drumming. Overall, sound is a crucial means of communication for many animals, and it plays a vital role in their social interactions and behavior.